The world watches as a new dawn breaks in the East. China, once reliant on Western technology, has boldly stepped into a future of its own making. The announcement of a domestically produced high-performance chip based on the open-source RISC-V architecture is a seismic shift in the global balance of power. For years, the United States has reigned supreme in semiconductors, dictating technological advancement, but the ground has shifted. China's breakthrough has shattered the illusion of American dominance. This achievement marks the culmination of a carefully crafted strategy, a testament to China's enduring patience and commitment to self-reliance. The emergence of China's RISC-V chip is a beacon of change, illuminating a path towards a more multipolar and diversified technological landscape. China's success did not happen overnight. It was the culmination of decades of strategic planning and investment. While the US pursued short-term gains, China played the long game. Chinese universities embarked on ambitious programs to cultivate the next generation of engineers and scientists. Recognizing the strategic importance of semiconductors, China made this sector a national priority, pouring billions into research and development. This patient, strategic approach stands in stark contrast to the West's more reactive stance. China's journey to technological independence is a powerful reminder that true progress requires vision, patience, and an unwavering commitment to nurturing one's own capabilities. At the heart of China's technological leap lies RISC-V, an open-source architecture developed by a global community. RISC-V embodies the principles of openness, collaboration, and shared innovation. Unlike proprietary architectures like x86 and ARM, RISC-V offers a level playing field for China. This openness is a strategic imperative. By embracing RISC, China frees itself from the constraints of a US-dominated technological order. The implications extend far beyond China, offering an alternative to countries wary of US technological dominance. The rise of RISC-V heralds a new era in technology, one defined by openness, collaboration, and a diffusion of power. The diverging paths of China and the US in their approach to technological advancement offer a compelling study in contrasts. While the US has long relied on its first-mover advantage, China has adopted a more patient, long-term approach. The US responded to China's rise with tariffs, sanctions, and attempts to limit its access to critical technologies. China, meanwhile, has consistently emphasized self-reliance and indigenous innovation. Recognizing that true technological independence requires a robust domestic ecosystem, China has invested heavily in education, research, and the development of its own tech giants. The contrast between these two approaches is stark. The success of China's RISC-V chip is a testament to the power of this long-term vision, demonstrating that true technological leadership comes from fostering innovation and collaboration on a global scale. The emergence of China's RISC-V chip is sending ripples across the global tech landscape. China's breakthrough heralds the rise of a parallel tech ecosystem, one with the potential to challenge the established order. This development has profound implications for nations caught in the middle of the US-China tech rivalry. Countries that were once compelled to choose sides are now presented with a viable alternative. The allure of a technologically advanced partner, unburdened by the political baggage of the US, is a compelling proposition. The open-source nature of RISC-V has the potential to democratize technology in unprecedented ways. The world is witnessing a seismic shift in the technological landscape, and China, armed with its RISC-V chip, stands at the forefront of this transformation. The development of China's RISC-V chip is not an isolated event. It is a harbinger of a much larger transformation. As the world moves deeper into the digital age, the importance of semiconductors will only continue to grow. China, with its newfound technological independence, is poised to play a leading role in shaping this future. The US faces a critical juncture. Clinging to outdated tactics of control and containment will only serve to further alienate potential allies. To remain competitive, the US must abandon its zero-sum mentality and embrace a more collaborative approach. This new era demands a different set of rules where innovation, collaboration, and shared progress take precedence. The question now is, how will the rest of the world respond? The global tech community has long recognized the power of open-source innovation. From software to hardware, the principles of openness and collaboration have driven some of the most significant technological advancements of our time. China's adoption of RISC-V is a testament to this trend. By leveraging the collective expertise of the global community, China has accelerated its technological progress. The rise of open source has democratized access to cutting-edge technology, enabling even smaller nations and companies to compete on a global scale. It's a shift that promises to level the playing field, fostering a more inclusive and diverse tech ecosystem. As we move forward, the principles of open source will continue to challenge traditional power structures in the tech world. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the potential for innovation is boundless. The question is no longer who controls the technology, but who can best collaborate and innovate within this new open framework. In this new era of open source innovation, the possibilities are endless, and the world stands to benefit from the collective creativity and ingenuity of the global community. The rise of RISC-V is just the beginning. How will your country, your company, and you respond to this new paradigm? Education has always been a cornerstone of progress. As we delve deeper into the technological advancements reshaping our world, we find education at the heart of these transformations. China's emphasis on cultivating a new generation of engineers and scientists has been instrumental in its technological rise. This chapter delves into the educational initiatives that have fueled China's success. From primary education to specialized university programs, China has built a robust educational framework designed to nurture talent and foster innovation. Government policies have prioritized STEM education, ensuring that students are equipped with the skills needed for the future. Scholarships, research grants, and international collaborations have further enriched the educational landscape, attracting some of the brightest minds from around the globe. But it's not just the formal education system that's driving progress. Informal learning environments, hackathons, and maker spaces are providing platforms for practical, hands-on experience. These initiatives are creating a culture of continuous learning and experimentation, essential for staying ahead in the fast-paced world. As we look to the future, the importance of a strong educational foundation cannot be overstated. It's not just about producing a workforce, it's about fostering a culture of curiosity, creativity, and resilience. In this new era of technological advancement, education is the key that unlocks the door to innovation. The question then becomes, how can other nations and companies emulate this model to achieve their own technological independence? The role of education in technological advancement is clear. It is the bedrock upon which future innovations will be built. The global community must invest in education to harness the full potential of the next generation of innovators and leaders. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the importance of global collaboration in technology cannot be overstated. This chapter examines the potential for international partnerships in the tech sector, exploring how countries can work together to drive innovation and address common challenges. The rise of China's RISC-V chip serves as a case study in the power of collaboration and shared progress. International collaboration has historically been a driving force behind major technological advancements. From the development of the Internet to the International Space Station, joint efforts have produced results that no single nation could achieve alone. In the realm of semiconductors, the RISC-V architecture is a prime example of what can be achieved through open-source collaboration. By allowing researchers and developers worldwide to contribute and innovate, RISC-V has evolved rapidly, outpacing traditional closed-source models. China's embrace of RISC-V is not just a strategic move, it represents a broader vision of shared progress. By participating in the global open-source community, China is both contributing to and benefiting from collective innovation. This approach not only accelerates technological advancement, but also fosters a spirit of cooperation and mutual benefit. The potential for global tech collaboration extends far beyond semiconductors. Areas like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and quantum computing hold immense promise for international partnerships. By pooling resources and expertise, countries can tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to cybersecurity. However, collaboration is not without its challenges. Intellectual property concerns, geopolitical tensions, and differing regulatory environments can pose significant obstacles. Yet these challenges are not insurmountable. Through dialogue, trust-building, and mutually beneficial agreements, nations can find common ground and work towards shared goals. As we look to the future, the importance of global tech collaboration becomes even more evident. In an era where technological advancements are accelerating at an unprecedented pace, no country can afford to work in isolation. The future of innovation lies in our ability to collaborate, share knowledge, and build on each other's strengths. The rise of China's RISC-V chip is just the beginning. As nations come together to push the boundaries of what's possible, we stand on the brink of a new era of technological progress, one defined by cooperation, inclusivity, and collective achievement. In the end, the future of global tech collaboration is not just about advancing technology. It's about building a better, more connected world for all. The journey ahead is full of potential, and the opportunities are boundless. As we move forward into the future of global tech collaboration, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The journey to technological independence is fraught with obstacles, but it also presents numerous chances for growth and innovation. Moreover, technological hurdles cannot be overlooked. Developing cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced semiconductors requires substantial investment in research and development. It also demands a skilled workforce capable of pushing the boundaries of innovation. Yet, amidst these challenges, there are also immense opportunities. Overcoming geopolitical tensions through diplomacy and mutually beneficial agreements can pave the way for stronger international partnerships. By fostering a spirit of cooperation, nations can pool their resources and expertise to tackle global challenges more effectively. Technological independence also offers the potential for economic growth and job creation. By investing in education and training, countries can build a skilled workforce ready to lead the next wave of innovation. This not only drives technological progress, but also contributes to societal advancement and improved quality of life. Furthermore, overcoming these challenges can lead to greater resilience and security. By developing homegrown technologies, nations can reduce their dependence on foreign suppliers and mitigate the risks associated with supply chain disruptions. In the end, the path forward is complex but promising. The journey to technological independence is not just about overcoming obstacles. It's about seizing opportunities for growth, innovation, and collaboration. As nations navigate this challenging terrain, they have the potential to create a more connected, resilient, and prosperous world. The future is bright for those who dare to innovate and collaborate. The challenges ahead are significant, but the rewards of overcoming them are boundless. Together, we can build a better, more technologically advanced world for all. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.